at this very new VPN application. Pretty much show you how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. Very simple to use, and all you have to do is just tap on the connect to server option here. Once I've done that, you're able to see all the servers available, but sadly they only have 2 servers. But let me tell you, these 2 servers are extremely fast, and within these 2 servers you have other servers which you can use as well. You can see here about, let's call it 5 servers in all, so 4 servers in all. So note here as well for Netherlands. So whichever one you select, let's say for example Germany, want to tap on this option here. Once you have selected one of the servers, we'll load up the connection page here, and all of the girls tap on connect. And once you have tapped on connect, we'll ask for connection request. Let's tap on OK. We'll start connecting in a minute. That's how simple this VPN is to use, and there's no subscription and there is no ads on this VPN. I'm quite surprised that the servers are quite fast. So test it out and let me know in the comment section what you think about this application. Anyways, see you guys in the next one.